So, something happened today. This morning, when I was about to go to work and I was about to drop Catalea off to school, yesterday, coming home from work, my car was fine and it had no crazy noises. But this morning, when I turned on the car getting ready to go to school and work, something happened. Okay, so now I'm in my car. Look what happens when I turn on the car. Mind you, this didn't have the noise last night when I came home. But now it sounds like this. Do you hear that? Can you guess what happened to my car? That's right. See that? My catalyst converter was stolen. You see that? Clean cut. I don't know if you can see it. That and that. Funny noises coming out through these holes. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, my catalyst converter was stolen last night. Can you believe it? So yeah, that's what happened today.